So guys, welcome back to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, you will learn about mutations. So ensure to stay till the end of this video, as this is an important topic in your biology. Also, at the end of this lesson, you will get a free biology exam revision question for you to test your knowledge. So sometimes the sequence of DNA bases can be changed. These changes are called mutations. So it is well important that we understand that mutation is a random change in an organism's DNA. So they are sometimes inherited. Mutations occur continuously. They can occur spontaneously. For instance, when a chromosome isn't quite replicated properly. However, the chance of mutation is increased by exposure to certain substances or some types of radiation. Mutations change the sequence of the DNA bases in a gene, which produces a genetic variant. As the sequence of DNA bases code for the sequence of amino acids that make up a protein, mutations to a gene sometimes lead to changes in the protein that it codes for. Most mutations have very little or no effect on the protein. Some will change it to such a small extent that its function or appearance is unaffected. However, some mutations can seriously affect a protein. Sometimes the mutation will code for an altered protein with a change in its shape. This could affect the ability to perform its function. For instance, if the shape of an enzyme's active site is changed, its substrate may no longer be able to bind to it. Also, structural proteins like the collagen could lose their strength if their shape is changed. So if there is a mutation in the non-coding DNA, it can alter how genes are expressed. So we talked about the non-coding DNA in our previous video. You can check it up there. It is also important that we understand the different types of mutation. But before we go into that, let us recall that every 3 bases in a DNA-based sequence codes for a particular amino acid. So with that, we know that if a particular base is changed, then mutation can set in. So let's look at the types of mutation. So we have insertions, we have deletions, and then we have substitutions. So insertions are where a new base is inserted into the DNA base sequence where it shouldn't be. An insertion changes the way the group of 3 bases are read, which can change the amino acids that they code for. Insertions can change more than one amino acid as they have a knock-on effect on the bases further on the sequence. So for instance, we have this group of original gene, and then if this particular base is altered, now you can see the overall effect. Now this will code for a different base. Also, we have deletions. Deletions are when a random base is deleted from the DNA base sequence. So like insertions, they change the way that the base sequence is read and have a knock-on effect further down the sequence. We also have substitution. Substitution mutations are when a random base in the DNA sequence is changed to a different base. So for instance, here we have these bases, the original bases coding for these amino acids. So if this particular base is substituted to this, you see that the amino acid here will definitely change. So guys, here is a free biology exam practice question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.